You want to know how to restore your memory? I'm going to read something here out of this book. It's The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. You've got to get this book. It's good for all kinds of things. Now here's how one person restored her memory. It could work for you too. A woman of 75 had always been proud of her ability to remember. Like everyone, she forgot things now and then, but she paid no attention. However, as she got older, she began to notice these occasions and worry about them. Each time she forgot something, she said to herself, "I must be losing my memories because of my age." As a result of this negative autosuggestion, more and more names and events slipped her mind. She was close to despair. Then, fortunately, she realized how she was damaging herself. She resolved to reverse the process. Every time she felt the temptation to think, "I am losing my memory," she stopped herself. More than that, she deliberately reversed the procedure. Several times a day, she practiced induced positive autosuggestion. She said to herself, "From today onward, my memory is improving in every way. I will always remember whatever I need to know at every moment of time and point of space. The impressions I receive will be clear and definite. I will retain them automatically and easily. Whatever I want to recall will immediately present itself in the correct form in my mind. I am improving every day. Very soon, my memory will be better than it has ever been before." At the end of 3 weeks, her memory was back to normal. Now, when you say stuff like this, let me read what she did before. And when she read it to herself 3 times a day, or however many times she said it, okay, she had to believe in it too. You try this method. What you're doing is you're telling your subconscious, you're giving it positive energy. You're telling your subconscious, yes, you can make me remember things. You can do it. Your subconscious will work it out. Don't figure out, don't try to figure out how your subconscious works. Let your subconscious figure that out, okay? Here's what she said again. From today onward, and you can write this down, you can read it if you want. Here she said several times a day she practiced induced positive autosuggestion. She said to herself, "From today onward, my memory is improving in every way. I will always remember whatever I need to know at every moment of time and point of space. The impressions I receive will be clear and definite. I will retain them automatically and easily. Whatever I want to recall will immediately present itself in the correct form in my mind. I am improving rapidly every day. Very soon, my memory will be better than it has ever been before." Okay? You say that and you have to believe it too. You can tell your subconscious mind anything you want. It doesn't know if it's true or if it's false. As long as you believe it, your subconscious mind will make it true and it will make it happen for you. Okay? How many times did she do this? I think it just says several times a day. You know, think about it right before you go to bed. Get yourself, just before you fall asleep, say that. Have it memorized or something, or say it. You don't have to say that word for word. You can say it in a different way. As long as you can feel that you believe it, your subconscious mind will do the rest. Okay? Get this book. It'll help you in all kinds of different ways. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.